Rashida, can you rotate it? Good work. Good, 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 good. Look at how pretty hiyo yake iko bwana. Guys, have you seen, can you rotate it? Rotate. Guys, can you see what she has done? Yeah, good work, good. Thank you. Someone else? Someone else? Yes, 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 yes. This is, who is sharing? Guys, are you seeing, wametoa vizuri, si ndio? Yes. Kuna watu wengine wako online but they are not sharing. Huh? There's those who are online but they are not sharing. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Who is online but haja share? Good, thank you. Guys, so I want us to do something here which is also, how do you think we can make a lead for this thing, Kifuniko? Can we make a lead for this thing? Kifuniko? Yes? I want us, everyone follow along so that we make a Kifuniko for this thing. It should be very easy. It should be very easy. You just choose the side, then you just put a rectangle namna hii. And you can dimension, so you just draw a small rectangle on top, then you dimension it. We want it to be how many? How many? 2 centimeters. Sorry. 20. 2 mil. Weka 2, then finish sketch. So, no, this is not the right way of doing it. Sorry. It's a very hard way of doing it. Control Z, Control Z. Don't do it on the right, but do the top. Sorry, do the top view. So change to the top view. And then after changing to the top view, then I want you to draw just, there is something which is called offset. Offset is when you come inside here and then you choose, you want to see the line, how I'm offsetting the line, like you first of all choose the lines. So you choose this and then you hold. You select the lines which are making the line. I'll start again. Select a line, then press Control, then go and choose the other lines, all the 4 corners. Make sure you choose the lines, not the surface. It can be tricky, especially if you don't have a mouse. So choose all the 4 lines. Then you zoom in. Hadi hapo. You zoom in with your mouse. Hadi hapo. So you choose even the corners. If you don't choose the corners, this won't work. Umeona? So you choose all the four corners, then you offset. So you want to offset with so if you offset, it should draw you a new line. Hi. Okay, we will try that later. We're going to try it out later. Let's just draw on top of this line. You draw a new offset. Could have been the best way to do it. So what I mean is, if we have a, let's say you draw, let me just show you by using a 2D diagram first, or a 2D. So like on this surface, if I draw a circle, which all of us know how to do now, okay?
Excuse me.
Can you see? Just 1 minute, check here. Then if we offset the circle in a chora hivyo, mnaona? It's doing like it's drawing a circle around that, which is at a certain distance. So like you can say 2 millimeters. So it's a circle around that. Umeona? So that is what I wanted to do. So
Mine has offset.
Yours has offset. Okay. Yeah. Good.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
I think if you press S for the search tool, then you go to offset. You select offset faces. If you press S.
Okay.
Then you go to the search tool. Then if you type offset, then you select the offset faces. It does that.
Okay. Let's
just a shortcut. S.
S. And then you offset face. Good. Thank you. So we do like 2. Namna hiyo. Ndio hiyo nimeipata. So you want to make the lid slightly smaller ama bigger? Slightly bigger. Like namna hiyo. Then you finish sketch. Yeah, that is what I needed to show you. And then you extrude. Oh, inakaa funny. It should be, it should not be hollow. The nini should not be hollow. The guys, it should not be hollow. It should be, you offset the surface. So let's see. Offset. Then here. Then let's say 1. Finish sketch. Then you extrude. No, you extrude the offset face. Can you guys figure out how it, let's say if you had a rectangle like this, I'm just showing you this. So if you had a rectangle like that, guys, tuko pamoja. We had a rectangle like that, sindio? Just ignore this for now. And then when you come here onto this, then if you offset this surface, meaning unaongeza a small linear above it, yeah? So like 1. So itakuwa hivyo, sindio? And then now from that other one, from that, you can now extrude. Finish sketch. You can now extrude the outer one. But it should not upwards. So you click even the inner, yes, so you do it two, like 2 ama 3. Kitu kama hiyo. So mnaona kitu nimefanya hapo? Like our original body is hii. Sawa.
I've managed to do mine.
Yes? Yeah. Okay,
Right, I've done mine on
can you share your
the
screen?
one you're working on.
Can you share your screen? So you offset it to the side and then it should not be hollow. It should be, yes, okay. You guys, you see what he has done? Can you repeat to us how you did it? Yes, and show us how you did it. Yes, so si kila mtu ako hapa. Yes, then modify, offset. Then he has offset by 1 or 2. Okay. Then you go to solid or click finish. solid. Yeah. So you click even those holes, okay? Yeah. Then click OK. Mayona, let me repeat it. Thank you. So he has done a hole, and remember this is like a hole on top of, this is like a top. So let me show you. Thank you. So you offset like on the top, upper. You modify. You modify. Then you offset. You offset your yote. You offset by like 2. You can decide to do 1. Doesn't matter. So like 2. So then after offsetting, let me have it at the center. After you offset, you click OK. Then you remember you can rotate it. And then now you extrude. So while extruding, you click Control, and then you click all these holes, even those holes everywhere. You're going to so that when it's extruded in solid form. And then you extrude for like 3 millimeters, like 3. Sasa itafunika hivyo. I do some funny thing here on the side, which can be removed. Iko sawa? Nataka niwaonyeshe screw, how to put a nut at the bottom. And then I think this is too much today. Then remember on the bodies, now you have one whole body, but you can separate them. You are having one whole body, but you can separate them. Remember, we are going to have bottom and then the unit. So you come to construct. First of all, nataka nione kama watu wamefika hapa. Bado, okay. Okay, guys, everyone look up. Everyone look up. We are doing it. We are doing the offset. So we are on the top view. Sindio? Tuko sawa? All of us are on the top view, yes? So if you are not on the top view, you just click top up. Then you come to design. It should if you don't have design, you know how to do that. Then you come to offset. Then on a click, you click on that line, and all of it will be blue. Okay, the line will be blue. Okay, so when you click on it, then you'll see this arrow back and forth, which you can drag outward, drag inward, something like that. So drag it outward and do toe and right toe. Kila mtu amefanya hiyo? Okay. Okay, click. Are you on this? Look at your screen. You are not here. You are there. So click offset, and then click this outer surface. Then everywhere will be blue all around. It's not blue. Is it blue on yours? Okay, it doesn't have to, it can be another. Yes, then you click there, then you do like 2, then you click OK. I'm coming to help you guys. So then once you do that, then you can, I told you it's good to have a mouse and you can be able to zoom in and also change the view, make it at an angle like 45 or something like that. Then you finish the sketch. Then you extrude. Then you click there. Then you click all these surfaces. Una click hapo ndani, una click hiyo, una click hizo hata hizo mashimo because you want the holes to be closed also. Then you type like 2. So you click all those surfaces. You click all those. You extrude, just a minute. Then you click all that. You can zoom in, you uone, hadi hapo, hadi hizi mashimo ulitoboa. All of them. All of them. Okay? And then we want to extrude for 3 millimeters. Then itakuwa namna hiyo. So, you still stuck. We are making a lid, okay, on top of our surface, or on top of our box. So how we are going to do it is by doing something called offset. So you offset that surface and then you extrude. So the lid is like 1 millimeter bigger than the actual box. So 1 or 2. So I want you to do this. And if you are stuck, call me, I show you. So, the room only before the unit, can you put two hands like this on the side? Let's say it's about to carry it to ready on some lights. So we go on unit, So then on the side is just exclude the sides, both sides, where some hands can go. You know how that thing is, two of the two sides, then exclude, then you exclude it at an angle. That's one how to it is. So it's a box. It's a box, it has a lid. So on the side, on the left and the right hand side, or from two sides, you can be shimo. where somebody can hold the box. Yes, you just do it and then you exclude the fast. You just draw a rectangle and then you exclude where it is. On the side. So on the side, the number will be handle somewhere where you can. Whichever side, please almost the side. Together, come on. Yes. We are very well. I wanted to show you, if you realize that you have a feature which you didn't need, like I was just trying something on the side, Kamai, which you don't need, you can click on it and then you delete it. Click on it and then you realize ilikuwa hapa. So you delete that feature. Hata ilikuwa na nini, you delete it. So then you save your work. Save your work. So I don't know, part 2, part 4. I just want to show you the last thing to separate the two parts, the lead and the nini, so that then we go home. So ndio hii hapa, remember it's one whole body, but we could come to construct then offset plane, then the plane which we want to offset is the Z, not that axis. Construct offset plane, then tunataka hii plane ya chini. Sio hiyo. Offset plane, then tunataka hii plane ya chini. Mnaona? So you offset that plane to the height of this box. Hiyo box ilikuwa or you can just do this. Let's just do to come to I had shown you how to split body. So you split the whole body. Sindio? Then select splitting tool. Splitting tool una select hiyo surface ya hiyo nini, hiyo hapo mali kifuniko hapo ndani, mnaona? Alafu mkisplit na kuwa hivyo, you click okay, then it should give you two bodies. Haijaleta modify split body, you click the hole, then select tool, you can rotate it, then you click this, yes. There's an error. You should what was the height of this? My modify. What was the height? You can, nataka nionyeshe kutoka hapa hadi ni 37. I did it arbitrarily, but it's okay. So my height, mine was 37. I want you to see, come here to construct offset plane. Offset plane. Then you choose the bottom plane, E. Then you offset it by 37. Sasa itakuja hapa where the two are meeting. Tuko pamoja? Mnaona hii plane hapa? Yes? Yes, that is what we are going to use as the splitting tool. I want to show you. So come here, let me just show you and then you repeat it after me. So you come to modify, then split body, you select here, then select splitting tool, ni plane yenye imejificha hapa. If you come to plane here, then okay. Then now we are having two bodies, body one, body two. So body one is the kifuniko. Mnaona we have our original part. You guys can see it. Then body two is the kifuniko. You can all of them. Actually, you can even move it. You can, yeah. So there are two parts, body one and body two, which you can hide. It's splitting. So you are not able to split. Okay, I'll repeat. Those online, please look at how I'm doing it. Those online, please look at how I'm doing it. So as you can see, we are having one body. Are we together? So now tuko na one body. Yes, we want to split it, but we are going to split it by using something called a plane. So we are having X, Y, and Z planes. The bottom and the sides, and you know the planes now. So you come to, I know that my height or my box was 37 millimeters. Was 37. So if you don't know, you can measure yours. So simulijua how, okay, you can come to here sketch, then you click on this side. You click on the side and then you measure. See, measure iko hapa. Measure dimension, sketch dimension. Then you click here. You click here. hapo hadi huku chini, up to there. Then you know that yours is 37, mine is 37, yours is how much? 40. So, si mnajua sasa how to measure? Yes, so that is how to measure. So you know that it is 37 centimeters. That the original body, not the plus the lead. Then you come to construct, everyone, please do this, construct offset plane. Construct offset plane. And I told you that you should be able to rotate, and then you'll see, we want the bottom, you can see there are 3 planes here. There is this, and then if you rotate to the nini, kuna hii ya nyuma. Can you be able to see that? There's the back, there's the bottom, and then, so you are going to offset the bottom plane. And then you offset it how much? By 37. Mine, yours was 40. The height of your, are we together? So our offset plane iko hapa. If you look at the orange part, can you be able to see? It's the offset plane is up here. Can you be able to see it? Have you been able to offset your plane? Have you been able to? Guys, have you? Oh.
Yes.
Yes, thank you. Can I repeat it? Okay. So I know that I'm repeating it once more. I'm repeating it once more. So I know that my part is 37 centimeters tall, the original part, not the plus the lead. So what we do, we come to construct apogee, then offset plane, construct offset plane, then you can rotate it slightly, and then you'll see the 3 planes, the X, Y, and Z. So we want the bottom plane. That is what we do. And then we put the figure, which is our height, the height of our box, which was 37. Then you click enter. So, are we all together? I want you to do that. Once you do that, then even you guys, you didn't have a lead, but I want you to offset with even 20 or something, so that I show you how to cut. Offset with a value 15, 10. Okay? Then we want to now slice the 2 parts or divide them by using that plane. So you come to modify, split body, then you click the entire 3D object or 3D image, the one we have. Then select the splitting tool. The splitting tool is our nini which we had selected with our plane. So you come here to construction, then kuna plane 1. Construction on the left is plane 1. Then you click construction on your left, plane 1. You click your plane 1. You click onto the plane 1. Then click OK. Construct offset, and then there is plane 1 to your left. Construction, there's a folder called construction, and on construction is plane 1. Can you see it? Then once you do that, then you'll be having 2 bodies, body 1 and body 2. Body 1 is the, yes. Yes? But what will you split? You are splitting the whole body. And remember, you can hide the construction once you are done with it. And then body 1, body 2. Namna hiyo. So, guys, you can see this is body 1. You can rename it. Rename it as the lead, sindio? Kifuniko, that's the lead. And then this one is the box. Now, so when you are exporting it, when you are going to print it, you are going to print the body. the box and the lid separate. And you can even move them around. You are to figure that out. You can move this. I think there is how you can be able to move. You can click that. You can move them. Mnaona? So you can move them around so that they are two parts, so that even if you're showing someone, you have the lead and the lead. So, is there any question? Guys online, I want you to move them, separate them like that, and then you show me what you guys have done. You guys separate, move them. There is this other one. You can move it. You can move it like that. You can even decide to move it chini minus, remember, minus 37. Sawa. So iko hivyo. The lead and the lead and then save your work. Guys, I think we've done so much today. Yes. So these are parts which you can print the body separately and the lid separately, or the box and the lid separately. I want to see people have done this, then we call it a day. Those online, please share your screen so that I see what you've done. Then we call it a day.
Bob, can you show us how to rename?
How to?
Rename the bodies to lead.
Yes, just click on body one. Click on bodies, body one. Uko chini, uko on the left, on your left. Body, hiyo ni lead, so double click on it. Double click, or you just double click. Double click with an arrow. Don't delete. Yeah, then delete lead. Then hiyo ingine, it's the box. Yes, good. You can see what John has done. Good job, everyone. Yeah. So guys, this marks the end of today. Okay. I saw what you see what you correct. This is actually a good thing. Can you do this? Can you do this? Kuna kitu gani hapa jamani? Nimeweka mashimo. Tumeweka mashimo na hizi. I think this now really one. Hizi kwa method hizi unaweza kuchora na text. So, when we did again next week, for anyone who was a week, we will design it practically. Sawa. But you guys are ni sana. So I'll take a measure of you. So guys, that is about your project. So guys, next week we are going to design something like this, which something medical related, but this you should be able to now design very easily. It's a fridge guard. This you should be able to do very nicely. So let's meet next week. Next week is the last time we are meeting here. Okay. Next week is the last time we are meeting here. Then from that we will go to Nakuru, hopefully, and then we'll. So those who, even if we are in Nakuru, you guys have to join online. Okay. Yeah. So you'll join online because I want, when I'm in Nakuru, I want to repeat what I'm doing here, because that will be, because we shared the link. Nakuru guys, I don't know why they are not even joining. Even you must join. It will be different because we will be continuing with the class, but doing it. So for them, they will whatever I will design there, we may decide to design something different. So I took design, yeah, we'll design something, but reinforcing the concept. If it is extrude, we may decide to design a screw or design something else, but using the same concept. So you have to come. We will learn more. We will assemble the parts, and then we will print for them. So yeah. So you are going to share with me what you've done on online. Then I tried to print them for you. So yes. Yes, question? Yes. 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 Bye. Unaweza buy. So how many are still in school, like college? If you have your campus ID, it would be, I don't know how you're going to go about it. You can register a new account.
What was the question?
Yes, anyone online who has a question, but we will see how you can extend it. Just figure out how you can extend it. I contacted them but they have not given us the license. Any question? Those online, any question? Those online, any question? So this is what we've designed today. It's a simple box which can, I challenge you to create something on the side like nini. I challenge you to create something like this. Some of you I know have not done it. Something like that, which was very easy. I know some of you just extruded wakacha hapo, which is totally fine. Okay. I said you move. You didn't see? So just a minute, I finish this. -2. I did. So it's simple. Let me show you. See, you come to the box, you click like that, then there is this big arrow on the left, right, you move. Then when I say move whatever place you want. So you click those arrows, then you move it whatever place you want. So add the equipment selective. Yeah. So save your work and then you'll share with me the STL files separately, then we try printing them. So, yeah, nikiprint ya watu wawili tatu, I will be there. So thank you guys for coming. Today we just spent time, we just spent time designing, which is also actually a good thing because loading it here, you already know. Yeah, loading it here, you already know, and tungeziacha zikirun. The other guys who had theirs here, the guy who did it sliced it wrongly. I don't know why it's not printing. So, but I'll try and print them for you. Ngeile mlita Nairobi something. What did you call it? Nairobi. Lesson something, yeah? Yeah, I saw it in your email. I just print. So we'll do it again. So guys, thanks a lot. This is this marks the end of our lesson today. So guys, bye. See you next week.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome.